Today, basically, I want to share with you how you can catch the right stocks in a volatile market, and also basically over the past few months, the market has been actually unpredictable as usual. And over here, I want to tailor this class, okay, to you. Whether or not the market is up or down, you always want to find the stock that is on the uptrend. Okay, that means what? That means if this is the market, okay, let's say this red color is the market. Market up, market down, market up, market down. So market means, like example, HSI. HSI means Hang Seng Index. Okay, so market can be up and down, up and down. But you want to find the stock that is constantly, the word is constantly, consistently going up. You understand? So when I design the strategy, okay, I design in a way called 4 stages. So that means what? What is a 4 stages? So 4 stages means like this. Okay, so basically the market, they have 4 stages. So it will go down, it will come down, it will go up, it will come down, right? So these 4 stages, basically, if it's from a bottom, okay, haven't really go up, this is a stage 1. If it is going up, this is a stage 2. If it is turning down, this is a stage 3. And if it's falling down, this is a stage 4. So with this 4 stage of market, okay, 4 stage, right? If you want to find a stock that is consistently going up, where will you see? You will see that it is, where is it? You will always see the stock on stage 2. Okay, always see the stock on stage 2. That means no matter the market is up or down, up or down, up or down, this stock over here is on stage 2. Over here is on stage 2. Over here is still on stage 2. Over here still on stage 2. Over here still on stage 2. Over here is still on the stage 2. Over here is still on the stage 2. You understand what I mean? So that means along the way, what you need to do is you got to put your money on those stocks that is on the stage 2. Okay, so put your money on those stocks that's on the stage 2. So with this, right, okay, you notice that over here, PT stage 2, strong up. That is the secret. Okay, that is the secret. And we can use the screener. Okay, the screener. Using the screener, what I can do is, okay, so using the screener, what I can do is I can change this screener to stage 2 so that I can screen out what are some of the stocks that is on the stage 2. So for Singapore, okay, you can see what are some of the stocks that is on stage 2. Okay, so you notice that, Keppel DC is on stage 2. You notice that OCBC is on stage 2. Keppel DC, okay, Keppel Limited, all these, they are on stage 2. Okay, so same thing, you got to look out for Hong Kong. Okay, so what are some of the stocks that is on the stage 2? Okay, and from here, what we do is we try to put our money on the best performing stocks. Correct or not? Okay, so one of the stocks, Xiaomi, okay, this Xiaomi, right, is still on stage 2. Okay, where a lot of other stocks is actually on stage 3. Okay, and even some stock is actually on stage 4. Okay, so how do you know whether there are many stocks on stage 3 or 4 or not? Okay, you got to screen, you got to do some screening. Okay, do some screening, and you realize that, actually a lot of stocks is on stage 3. So all these stocks like this, they start to go up and then they go down. This is a stage 3. All right, so the best stocks is always on stage 2. Okay, the best performing one is always on stage 2. And why we look out for PopMart is because PopMart is actually the best performing stocks over the past 1 year that is still on stage 2. Okay, so in fact there are other stocks. Okay, there are other stocks like Trip, there are other stocks like Xiaomi. These are also some of the best performing stocks in Hong Kong. Alright, so same thing. Okay, same thing. If you use the same strategy and you put it up on SGX, okay, you do some ranking. Okay, you'll notice that there's this stock called Oitech. Okay, there's this stock called Centurion. Okay, Centurion. So Centurion is on the uptrend. Centurion is one of the best stocks. You understand? Okay, so over here, strategy number 1, how to identify the best stock in the market. How to identify the best stock in the market. Okay, this is one of the strategy is stage 2. So lesson number 1, okay, how to identify the best stocks in the market in a simple way. This is stage 2 is the answer. Okay, so I got you one very important strategy. Okay, the next strategy, right, is how to identify a good entry point. How to get in at the right time. How to get in at the right time. Okay, so this is another question that I think is very, very important. How to get in at the right time. So over here, how you want to get in at the right time is you want to wait for some kind of a pullback. Why you need to wait for some kind of pullback? Pullback means the price drop. Some discount. Who don't like discount, right? Everybody like discount. Okay, when the stock having a discount, it means that the stock is finding support. The price is finding a support. Okay, so what you really need to do is to wait for the stock to turn around. Turn around. Okay, turn around. So turn around means like this. Turn around. So you see the shaded one. Shaded is open high, close low. Understand? Open high, close low. The price drop. The empty one is open low, close high. Open low, close high. That means in the morning when the market open, it open low. But when the market close, it go up. So open low, close high. Okay? So this is the kind of entry point you want to get in. Okay, this is the kind of entry point you want to get in. When the share price pull back for a few days and then start to turn up. So that is the right time. That is the right time. That means, example, this stock drop for a few days, drop, and then blue arrow. This is the turning point. Drop for a few days, turning point. Drop for a few days, turning point. You understand? So the blue arrow, okay, blue arrow will help us to identify the entry point. So what I can do is I can do a screen, short-term blue arrow, and it can help me to find out, oh, there are some stocks that is having this blue arrow. Okay, so with this, okay, I can screen like for the past few days. What is there any other stocks? Okay, is there any stocks over the past few days having this blue arrow? And and what we can do with that, right? Okay, so over here, the share price drop, and then the blue arrow happens, and then that is what we call a good entry point. Understand? So the ideal case, after this blue arrow or this buy signal, the ideal case is the share price continue to go up for the next few days. So that is what we want to do. That's what we want to trade. So just now I share with you the PopMart, okay, the PopMart case, right? Okay, so these PopMart stocks have this blue arrow, and then after this blue arrow, the share price go up right after we got in. Okay, so that is the best kind of a trade. Okay, best kind of trade. You know that you get in at the right time. Alright, so over here, the next thing is some people will ask me, hey, is it time to sell or not? Is it time to sell? So a lot of people, they will ask like, how to sell? Okay, how to sell? So that's the next question, how to sell? So a lot of times, okay, what we do is we like to follow this thing called the smart money, SMI. So when you see the blue color below, right, these are the smart money. We want to follow the smart money. Okay, so when the blue arrow, the blue bars, right, you see this smart money is in, we try to stay in as long as possible. So another system called super trend, if the share price never drop below the super trend, we try to stay in the market. We try to hold on to the stock. You understand? So we try to stay in the market, try to hold on to the stocks as long as possible. Okay, so over here, how to sell? We sell when smart money is leaving. Okay, so when the smart money get out, okay, we follow. Understand? When the smart money get out, we follow. Okay, when the red arrow appear, okay, red arrow appear, sell signal. That's a sell signal. Okay, understand? So when red arrow appear, I just want to share with you a few example, like example, some of the Singapore stocks, popular stocks, right? Like this venture. Okay, you see, when red arrow appear, you want to get out. Okay, so that you won't get stuck inside and have a big loss. Okay, some of the stocks, very popular stocks like Citrium. Okay, Citrium. Okay, so these are the kind of scenario where people lose a lot of money. Okay, lose a lot of money because they don't know that red color here, right, is time to get out. Okay, it's time to get out. This red color here is time to get out. This red color here is time to get out. So if you get out when it turns red, okay, that is a good practice to help you to avoid the big loss. You understand? So red arrow, that is the sell signal. So you want to get out with the smart money. You can see that the blue color is gone, the green color is there. Green color is retail. Retail stuck in the stock. Okay, green color is retail stuck in the stock. So you want to get out, get out of the trade. Don't want to get stuck with the retail investor. You understand? So over here, that is the strategy part. So over here, there are some stocks that do very, very well in the US market. Okay, so some of you might not know that there is this kind of stocks. Okay, so the thing is, if you don't know, right, you won't buy. If you don't know what stocks, right, that is we call it the very good stocks, you won't buy. Okay, so what I do is I can do this screening. Let's say the ultimate bull, and then I can do some kind of a ranking. So some of these stocks, right, is, some of you probably never see this before. Okay, like example, Carvana. Okay, so if you have never seen Carvana, this stock before, right, you have zero chance to buy this stock. Okay, so however, this is one of the best performing stocks in the US. Okay, in the US. Besides Havana, there's a micro strategy. Okay, micro strategy. But this is not easy. This one is crypto related stock. So when it was 140 something, it turns blue, right? And then after that, from 140 something, it go up to 550. So over here, a lot of people, they didn't know that how to catch these stocks, or didn't know that this stock is actually one of the best performing stocks in the market. Okay, so other than that, there's also stocks like this Vistra, VST. There's also stock like this Fatai, that is consistently going up on the what we call the uptrend. Okay, so what a lot of times, right, people say, Andy, I'm busy with my work. I'm busy with my work. I don't have time to monitor. Okay, look at this. Okay, look at this. If you have the system, Okay, the purple line, all this is already done for you. So all you need to do is just to open up your computer, open up your laptop, open up your phone. You can see this. Even iPad also can. You can see this, whether there's a blue arrow, whether it breaks below the purple line or not. Understand? So all this line, all this smart money, all these blue arrows, how does it come about? Okay, I spent the last 14 years improving the strategy, develop and improve this system. Okay, and that's how it comes about. Okay, I spent the last 14 years, right, doing this. Okay, so it's not overnight. Okay, the reason why I did this software is actually because a lot of people keep asking me, Andy, how is this stock? Andy, how is that stock? And it's really sad to see people holding on to those stocks that is very, very doing very, very badly. Okay, because why? Because there are some stocks that is really, really like a going down a lot. Okay, and a lot of people, they still continue to hold on to these stocks. Okay, so example like this like a Lucid. Okay, so everybody, even in the US, a lot of stock has went up, but some of these stocks, they still go down. Like some people, they bought this Intel. Okay, Intel. Okay, many stocks in the market already gone up, but they still holding on to this stock. They bought Alibaba. Okay, many stocks in the market already gone up, they still holding on to Alibaba. Okay, so the whole idea is, a lot of people keep asking me like, hey, how is this stock? How is it? I say, why not you use this system? You ask the system is as good as you ask me. Okay, because I developed the system so that we all can follow the system. Understand?